a call center, an organization having a call center, they are only having an inbound, and when they plan to go for outbound, which means earlier they were only receiving calls from customers regarding any services or complaints, but now it's not only the calls they have been receiving. Now there will be a separate business unit which is going to target the masses to sell out some certain products. And let's say they are selling out some packages for mobile or some internet packages, so they are calling different individuals who are there already their customers or new customer. So they're going to call them, they're going to persuade them, they're going to sell the product. Now, so that means the organization now is going to have a different business setup. So earlier only inbound, now they're going outbound, which means telemarketing as well. So they cannot do it without having the right resource if they have it. So earlier the resource that were working on different campaigns were already receiving calls. So they're not specialized in approaching customers or prospective customers, and they're not specialized in making calls and convincing them that they should be buying those products. So they need to have persuasive negotiation and buying skills, selling skills. So now whenever you decide to have this plan, you need to have budget, you need to have financial resources, as well as the most important part is your human resources. So the top management or the strategy department or planning department will going to coordinate with HR that this is the plan for 2020, let's say. So let's say in that particular year or whichever year which will going to come, when they're going to start this, HR will going to discuss with management that what kind of products and what kind of a thing. So HR needs to know the business, what the business wants to go, what the business want to excel. Once HR knows that, then HR will going to help out the organization by looking and tapping into the market, looking for specific resources which are only specialized in making calls. Once they have done that, let's say they go for resource planning, they go for recruitment, they go for selection. There, all these phases will be planned in accordance with the business strategy of organization. So once that's done, then they're going to recruit according to that particular skill set. Once they have done that, they will hire the resource, they'll give them the training. HR will going to give them the training on the product which they need to sell, because the candidate that you have hired is now your employee, doesn't know about the organization, doesn't know about the product, doesn't know about the services. So first you need to give them orientation and training on these all aspects, and once you've done that, then you can send them to a live campaign or live calls. So you can see it's not that simple. And this example that we have used right now was of call center, a small setup. But imagine if you are in Pfizer, imagine if you are working in Google and you're launching a new platform, you're launching a new product, new medicine, new drug. So behind that whole process, the research analysis needs to be done, the testing needs to be done, the quality assurance. So all these things needs to be done, and for each and every aspect, you need to have resources, your human resources, your human capital. So, so for this whole process, for this whole new business setup to be successful and deliver functioning, HR plays an important role to support organization strategy.
La ilaha